Hi guys, so today I'm going to just be doing a normal weekly cleaning and cooking routine for you guys. And also in this video, if you'll leave a comment and just ask me some questions, because I want to make a video, like a laundry and chat video, where I answer any of y'all's questions that you ask. So just leave a comment down below, any questions you want, and here we go. Right here, I'm making a meal from Hello Fresh. It is so easy and convenient. They give you all of the ingredients that you need and also the instructions on how to cook everything. And it's just really great to not have to worry about meal prepping or taking anything out to thaw. Everything's just ready in the bag, and you just put it in your fridge and pull it out when you're ready to cook. Everything turns out delicious from HelloFresh, and also I love how they portion it exactly for 2 people, so that way you don't overeat. In fact, there's usually leftovers that I would just bring for lunch at work. They also have meal plans for 4 people as well. just recently started doing laundry on Wednesdays in the middle of the week. That way I don't have a ton of laundry to do over the weekend, and I found that this helps a lot to just do it in the middle of the week. It really eliminates having to do loads and loads of laundry during the weekend. I usually just have like 1 or 2 loads to do versus 4 or 5. So I'm going to try to keep up with this. hope that this video has given you some motivation to cook, maybe try some HelloFresh and take some stress off of cooking for you, and also maybe to start doing some laundry during the week versus just doing it all on the weekend and not having as much time for your family or to do something for yourself. And I hope that if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!